Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Psalm 112 verse 7. You shall not be afraid of evil tidings. His heart is fixed, trusting in the Lord. So this is so lovely that we don't need to be afraid because God is helping us. God will make our faith bold. And I'm going to share with you that before I have a troubled heart, I have a troubled mind, but then there's a word that came into my mind that said fear, faith over fear. That's it. Faith over fear. So we need our faith to be bold. We need our faith to be fixed in God, so that we can trust to God, so that we will not fear, because there is no fear in love. When we love God, we will not know fear. That's it. We will not know fear when we have a full love to God, when we have a full surrender to God. And God wants to fix our heart. God wants that our heart is very fixed to Him, so that we can trust Him again. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you all. Bye.